2021, the relative humidity was 87%, the wind south at 13 miles an hour, and the The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Williamson County, northwestern Travis County, south central Burnett County, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Liberty Hill to near Spicewood, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Leander, Lago Vista, Liberty Hill, Spicewood, Smithnick, Jonestown, Briarcliff, Seward Junction, and Brushy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.